Hey guys, it's Kurt with Rock.Hounding.Adventures. Welcome back for another video today. As some of you know, I have been hinting at that I got a new piece of equipment in, so today we are going to check out what I got. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it up on the table. If you guys have been watching the podcast channel, you guys already know what it is, but we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing and let you guys check it out. As you can see, it is a Extreme Tumblers Rebel 17, which is a 17-pound tumbler. It is basically the same quality as Tumblers 15-pound tumbler. It's a slow speed tumbler, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up and check it out. And you have the motor. So we're gonna go ahead and set the motor up right here. Make sure the pulley is on the outside, same side as the wheel. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the tumbler as well the assembly. If you guys are interested in picking up one of these for yourself, they are over on KingsleyNorth.com. I have a affiliate link down in the description if you guys want to use that. It's a way of helping out the channel. Just use that link. This right here, I'll be making another video tumbling some material in the next couple weeks. I just gotta cut it first. Yeah, look forward towards that. If you guys follow the podcast, the Rockhound podcast, where me, Theo Kellison, Kyle, World of Rockhounds, and Karen of Ozone Fine Arts talk about everything rock related and lapidary, anything in the rock niche. We also leave hints and sneak peeks to all of our channels. So definitely go over there, subscribe, check it out. And we've also had a lot of amazing guests, including multiple rock channels. And so make sure to go check it out. Link will be in the description of the Rock Hound podcast. Anyways, I will stop talking. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Rock on. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends and family on social media. I will see you guys next time. Peace out.